Hello everyone, hope you are all well. In this video we are going to show you how to reorder the list of channels on your Samsung NU series TV. So how do you change the list or the order of your channels on your Samsung NU series TV? Now, one of the problems with the Samsung NU series is they don't actually allow you to manually change the order of your channels. Now what I mean by that is here in the UK, channels broadcast from BBC One all the way down through the Freeview range of channels that we get here in the UK, and the actual HD channels are all the way down midway through the listing, so they actually typically start at around 101 onwards. So for you to actually view a HD channel, you need to type 101 on your remote control, for example, or 102, and you have to kind of try to remember those numbers. However, you can actually change the order, so just by pushing number 1 on your remote will actually take you straight to the HD channel of 101. So if we go up to channel list, I'll show you what I mean. Now across on the right you see the list of channels. If you go up to edit channels, what you can normally do on other models of Samsung TVs is you can select a channel over here and then go down to rename channel. Now as you can see on the NU series TVs, this is actually greyed out, so you can't actually change the name or number of the channel. So we have to use an external website to do that. But first of all, what we have to do is export our channel list from the TV. So probably best thing to do before you actually export it is actually retune your TV, so you've got all the latest up-to-date channels. And then once you've done that, if you go into menu, you go down to broadcasting, go all the way down to expert settings, and then select transfer channel list. Now you'll need a USB memory stick to do this, so pop a USB memory stick into your TV and it should be formatted in FAT32 or FAT. Click on transfer channel list, enter the default passcode which is 000, and then select export to USB and select your USB stick. I've actually got 2 connected at the minute on my TV, but you'll only have 1. Select your USB stick and it exports out to USB. Now what we need to do is pop over to the computer and we'll show you what to do next. Okay, so once we have unplugged the USB stick from our TV, what we need to do is plug it into our computer. The actual files which it copies across, let's have a look. So this is the USB stick that I've just unplugged from my Samsung TV and plugged into my computer. There's actually 2 files on the USB stick. It's actually the channel list.zip file which we are most interested in. Now don't be tempted to open up that zip file and have a look, see what's inside. It's basically a long list of all the channels which you've got on your TV, but we don't want to change the actual zip file itself. We're going to be using a website called SamiChan which is going to do that for us. So best thing to do is actually take it off of the USB stick, because once we've reorganized our channel list, we're going to copy it back onto this USB stick. So it's best to remove this one and plonk it somewhere on your PC into a temporary location. So if you actually right click and then click cut, find a folder like a temporary folder or anywhere, or on your desktop for example, right click and paste, and then you've just got the zip file. Don't worry about the other file, don't need that one, just the .zip file. And then what we need to do is go to a website called SamiChan, SAMYCHAN.com. And that takes you to this website. And as you'll see, the big orange button, it says open our channel list. Click the big orange button. Then we literally just go to the temporary area where we just copied the file to. Click the zip file, click open, give the website a few seconds, and it loads our channels. Now as we can see, channel number 1, BBC One, channel number 2, BBC Two, all the way down. Now the channels that we are most interested in are the HD channels. So if we scroll down, we can see from 101 our HD channels all the way down to 114, and then it goes into the CBBC channels. There's a couple more HD channels down there. Now, depending on your region and where you're located within the UK, you might have more, you might have less HD channels. So what we actually need to do is start changing these numbers here. So we know BBC One is channel number 1, so we can literally click on this box here, type number 1 and push enter. Again, 102, we know it's BBC 2, so click at 2 and enter, and all the way down, ITV is channel 3, channel 4 is obviously channel 4, and then channel 5 is channel 5. Let's just do those for now. And if you scroll back up to the top, what you'll notice is you've actually got duplicate channels. So 1 and 1, BBC One HD, and the SD channel, standard def channel as well. So not to confuse the TV, what we'll do, we'll rename this one, which is the standard definition channel, to 101. So we'll pop that back down the list, and we'll do the same for BBC Two, so 102. Same for ITV, 103. Same for channel 4, standard def channel 4, 104. And then standard def channel 5, 105. And drop them down the list. So now what you can see is we've got channel 1 is BBC One HD, all the way down to channel 5, which is channel 5 HD. Now, if you want to, you can go down and change a few more. So for example, if we look at our list, we have got a channel, say, let's pick out one. There we go, 47. Now I know there's an HD 47 channel. There we go, 47 channel. So it's channel 47, and this one's 1110. So if we just go 47, enter, disappears from here. But if you go back up to 47, there's actually 2, and it was 110. Push enter, and that just kind of rearranges all of your HD channels to replace the standard definition channels at the top of your guide. So you can go through all of them, have a look what HD channels you've got, and then match them up to the standard def channel number. BBC 4 HD is 106. Standard def on my TV is 9. So we can go 106 and then go down to 106 and change the standard def one to 9. HD channel to 9. Move that back up again. And you can do the same for channel 4 plus 1, BBC News, all the other channels that you want to do. Now once you're happy, what you need to do is come up to this button here called Save. Now click that, and it will save the channels, the changes you've just made. And then top right hand corner, download channel list. So once you're happy you've made all the changes, you click Save. Make sure you don't forget to click Save. Come top right hand corner, download channel list. Now that takes you through to this page. Now I don't personally know the person that's created this website. I've just used it a few times. Why not, as the guy says or lady says, buy me a beer. Feel free to donate to this channel. It's nothing to do with me. I've got no affiliation with this website whatsoever. If you fancy doing that, great. Alternatively, you can scroll down to the bottom here, to the green button, and click download channel list. Now this website's free, so if you fancy donating, donate. If not, just click this green button down the bottom, click download channel list, and then we have, if you have a look, let's open that file location, the channel list, in exactly the same format as the original, which the original was on our USB stick, hence why I said remove the one on the USB stick which we just downloaded from the TV. Now all you simply do, right click, and then we can copy this one, go back to your USB stick, and then paste that back onto the USB stick. It's already in the file format, in the correct file name and everything, and then all we need to do is pop out our USB stick and go back to the TV. Okay, so just pop your USB stick back into your TV, then click menu, and this time we need to import the list we've just updated on the computer. So we go down to broadcasting, expert settings, transfer channel list again. Once again, default pin 0000. This time we're going to import from USB, and it's just warning you that your current channel will be deleted. Click OK. Again, select your USB device, and then it imports all of the lists we've just updated. Then we warned you that the TV is going to switch off and switch back on again. When your TV comes back on again, you'll see the first channel you've got is BBC One HD, and then all the way down. So channel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are all the HD channels which we changed. We go down to channel 9, that's BBC 4 HD. For example, channel 12 is the Quest HD channel. So just a real quick video to show you how to reorder the channels on your NU series Samsung TV. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. I hope it was helpful to you. Thanks very much for watching.